Your filtration expert, so Jiffy, will support you in the maintenance of the filter elements. To carry out a quality professional service, we recommend you have the appropriate tools for the job. To begin replacing the oil element, the first step is to perform the drain. Open the drain plug and empty the oil before removing the filter. Have a warm engine to save time with the draining process. Protect the environment by using the suitable fluid collection equipment. Disassemble the filter using the appropriate key. Carefully remove the filter to avoid any spraying. Don't forget to clean the spin-on filter's anchor point. It is important to lubricate the new seal before installing it. Screw on the filter by hand until it comes into contact with the engine block. Then, tighten it with an additional quarter turn. It is important to change the drain plug seal. Screw and tighten the sump drain plug. Fill the engine block with the recommended oil. Only use additives compatible with the car manufacturer's recommendations. Verify the oil level gauge. Start the engine and check that there are no leaks around the filter or the drain plug. Don't forget to put the old filter in its dedicated disposal container. Trust your filtration expert and find all the information on www.purflux.com.